Right, friends, we have just visited the Lagomar house, and let me tell you one thing. This is the first time in my entire life that I get jealous of someone else's house. I mean it. I am really the person who doesn't care about the materialistic stuff at all. It's not the same thing that I can look for quality over the quantity, and also it's not the same thing that I could look for more aesthetic and peaceful objects or stuff in my life. This is something else. I am extremely jealous right now. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and also I'm gonna leave the link down below so that you can take a peek at the history of the house. I'm supposed to live here. I mean, this house should be mine. I don't know when, I don't know how, but someday I would love to buy or create for myself this type of house. Si on tente d'aller jusqu'à là pour voir, juste jusqu'à là pour voir.
Dans tout ça, mais c'est un champ, il n'y a pas d'accès, c'est dans un mur, tu vois. À mon avis, c'est privé, quoi.
Tu dis, mais t'as toujours pas dedans, toi. Il y a quand même un peu de lumière. Enfin, c'est deux nuages.
Ouais, c'est tous des nuages qui sont éclairés par le soleil, ouais, je sais pas trop.
Ah, c'est beau. C'est un peu une jolie lumière. En tout cas. Right, friends, it's almost the end of our adventure here, and for us it's time to get ready to give back our van to the owner and get the flight tomorrow and off to France. Let me tell you one thing, I do really not want to go back to France at all. I am a nomadic person since the age of 6, and I have been always very connected with the mountains. I do genuinely love the mountains. Doesn't matter what kind of. It might be like the highest mountain on the world with a lot of pine trees, or it might be a volcano, or it might be just a desert dune. Doesn't matter. I do feel very deep connection with the mountain, with the soil. So I feel very emotional right now because, as I said, I just don't want to go back. But we have to. And this is the last week. By the way, let me remind you one thing, and it's very, very important for me. Please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like the videos, share them, and leave a comment. Say me hi in the comment section below. Tell me anything about you. Tell me your story. I would be really happy to know you. I am very sincere about that. Yeah, that's it. I will see you in France. Bye.
See, the world is getting better now. Feel the change is coming on my way. Keeping hope as higher as I can. Moving on, embracing destiny. Carry on, despite all my past, into tomorrow's bright and shiny days.